Gunalchéesh, yeey.aadí. Thank you for coming. This is a video of the Lingít introduction. And this is for those of you that I've worked with that want to practice and hear the sounds and then just practice at home so you can kind of get better. And for those of you that may want to practice for the first time. If you'd like to get a hold of me for any of this other papers or documents and things like that to go through, you can get a hold of me or Sea Alaska Heritage Institute. And there's some paperwork. Also, there's lots of other documents and things like that that you can go through. But this is one way to do an introduction. This isn't the only way. You don't even have to do all of this. This is really probably more than you may need. This is just to kind of get a base of where you are from and kind of help connect you with your ancestors, your history, and kind of your family. So anyway, we'll run through it here as I would say it, and then we'll go through and then I'll repeat it a couple times so that without leaving it blank, so that you can kind of put your own information in there. All right. Guk. Yeey.aadí ikkwasatéen. Yeey naax sitee. Daakanoox'u ka Irish ka French sitee. Tach chitach ayachat. Gunalchéesh. yeey.aadí. Ach ish has yeey.aadí. Dans daakanoox'u. Kafri daakanoox'u. Tantakahiini yeey.aadí. Sea Alaska Heritage Institute yeey.aadí. Yeey. Gunalchéesh yisa.caxí. Also, Tlingit Please forgive me if I have made any mistakes in this. I am a Tlingit language learner, and so I am doing what I can, doing my best. And so we'll go through and I'll say those verses, or I'll say those phrases a couple of times and leave out my information so that you can leave yours inside. All right. Guk. Ikkwasatéen. Ikkwasatéen. Ayachat. Naax sitee. Naax sitee. Sitee. Hittach ayachat. Ha naax'idi. Ha naax'idi. Quandach. Quan dach ayachat. Yeey.aadí ayachat. Ach ish has away. Daakanoox'u ayachat. Daakanoox'u. Daakanoox'u. Daakanóox'ux sitee. Daakanóox'ux sitee. Yeey.aadí. 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 Jichane. Yay, Gunalchéesh. All right, you did it. So I would say go through and try it out a few times and get those sounds in there. There's quite a few sounds that are in this that you may hear and may try that are just maybe difficult for you to kind of reproduce if you haven't done these sounds before. It's still even very, very difficult for me to do, and I try my best and do my best. I find though that the more that I practice just going through this, I can start to kind of find and hear and feel the sounds and the tones as I'm saying them. To go over the sounds, that's a whole nother story, and a whole nother thing you can do. There is some excellent material, or excellent videos, I should say rather, that Lance Twitcho Hune put together, and I would definitely recommend to go listen to his recordings of the sounds and practice those sounds if you are finding that you are having troubles with some of the sounds in these phrases and introductions. Let's see. I'll put a link down to some of where you can find some of those sounds and other videos down below in the link. And anyway, Gunalchéesh, I guess that's it. If you have any questions, send them in the comments below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe or follow for more content, more information. All right, Gunalchéesh. Ikkwasatéen. We will see you again soon. Gunalchéesh.